Annoyed by the double-click requirement every time you install an app on an iPhone? Turn off that with these settings. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Screen Time. Now tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Inside, tap iTunes and App Store Purchases. Look for the Require Password section. Tap on Always Require. Now go back to the main settings page and tap Face ID and Passcode. Enter your passcode. Find iTunes and App Store and toggle it off. This disables Face ID and double-click confirmation for App Store installs. Now go back to the home screen and open the App Store. Search for any app you want to install. Tap Get. Instead of double-clicking the side button, your iPhone will now ask for your Apple ID password. Enter the password, tap Sign In, then install. And that's it. You've successfully disabled double-click to install on the iPhone App Store.